All right, eighth graders. So obviously I'm not here. So hopefully you're watching this video before you head over to the robotics room. Um, so for most of you, you are still working on your Clawbot. I'm hoping most of you guys are going to be ready to be done and start coding. I know some of you were coding yesterday. So I have right now, all I have is one activity that is not graded. Hopefully tomorrow I will. I'm sorry. Yeah, tomorrow I will, when I return, I will have a graded activity for you to do. But basically, so what you're going to be doing, and I have the document open, okay? So first, before you get into the activities, now you don't have to do this, but it would be highly recommended. There's a link that'll take you to the VR, the VEX website that kind of goes over how the Clawbot works, how the claw opens, the arm moves, things like that, and that may help you with some of these challenges. All right, so there's three challenges in this one. So these first two challenges, moving the arm and opening the claw, there's actually a tutorial that'll tell you exactly what to add. Basically, they just want you to test out to make sure the arm, your claw arm, moves up and down, and the actual claw opens and closes. All right, so that's kind of what you're going to do with this to see if they actually work. Once you get everything working, you go down to the third challenge. Again, before you get into the challenge, which is down here, putting it all together, you want to kind of think about what you're going to need to do for this next challenge. All right. So it kind of gives you some hints, some bullets of what to kind of think about. Now, this one says before you start this challenge, you need something for the robot to pick up. So I have these blocks. They're up on the lab tables where the batteries are. So basically, this is what you want your robot to pick up. And basically, what's going to happen is if you kind of look here, and again, you guys have this document, these gray things here are comments. So basically, if somebody would come into this class, like somebody that's covering right now, and doesn't know what code you're putting in, they can read these comments and they can see what is actually going to happen once you program. So what I want you to do is underneath each comment, and I kind of did one for you already, you are going to put the actual code in that makes the robot do what's in the comment. So the first comment says open the claw 75 degrees. So you need to figure out which block would cause the claw to open at 75 degrees. And it would be this block right here. Okay. So after you add some pieces of code, you may want to just check it out on the robot to see if it works. And you're going to basically going to place this down. You're going to drive to it, open the claw, grab it, pick it up, move it, and then place it down. Okay, that's basically what all these comments are going to do. Because hopefully for the graded challenge, I'm going to have a bunch of different things that you're going to hopefully be able to code and get to and pick up and things like that. All right, so if you don't get to this today, we'll see, but we're kind of running out of time to get this stuff done. All right. So if you have any questions, let me know. I will try and help you. Obviously, I'm not there to check anything. So try to keep track of what you're doing, and then I will try and check when I get back. All right. See you on Thursday.